Hey guys, this is Nerf Man Smith back. I know I'm doing an airsoft video, but who cares? We're gonna teach y'all how to do airsoft grenades. First, you need to put vinegar in this, but
This?
You can also do apple vinegar, but that explodes the whole entire bottle. But that's what you do. Then you get baking soda, like this. Then you get, oh here, let me see that. Then you put the baking soda in here, and you put a rubber band on it. We'll show you an example. First, we need to make this pause. Okay, now we're going to show you how to do it. And you also need to cut squares. They don't have to be perfect. Just out of, like, Kroger bags or something. Then you lay it down, like so, after you did the vinegar stuff. And you pour, how much do you think baking soda?
2 tablespoons.
And you pour, like, 2 tablespoons.
That's good.
Then you get...
Take the corners.
Huh?
Take the corners.
Oh, the corners?
Mm-hmm.
Like that?
No, the 4 ends.
Oh. And you take the corners, and you get this side. You get this side. Like that. Mm-hmm. You get it like this.
Just make sure there's no leaks.
It's good.
Yeah.
Get it like that. And you get, I just have loom rubber bands. You can use what?
Elastic rubber bands. You
can use any type of thing that will hold, like zip ties. But zip ties will be hard. But then you just get the rubber band on. We do it 3 times, but it depends what rubber band you got.
Do it. Wait, don't do it. Okay.
Then you just send it back through.
That's good.
It's only choice.
It's fine.
That one, and how many is that?
7. One more.
We need to do one more, because we got 8.
Like for the war?
Yeah. I put a little too much. Will that work?
That'll be one of our apple cider ones. Yeah, that's too much. That's not gonna fit through the bottle. It's too much. You gotta empty some out.
I put too much.
Good job, Chris.
That's why you don't want to trust me with that.
No, you put too much out. Just empty it all out and start over. You want me to do it?
No, I got it. You don't want to put too much like I did. That's the example not to do. If it will come out. Jeez.
That's...
Is that too much?
That's good.
Is it too much?
No.
One of the apple cider ones.
We need to put our initials on the ones that we want. That way they can't take them.
Are the apple cider ones? Okay. Is it still video?
4 minutes, 30 seconds.
Alright. Now, show me. Now, that's it. We're going to stop this video, then part 2, we're going to do 2 parts. Part 2 is going to be testing it, showing you how it works. then thank y'all.